Few crafts in this world have held an entire city together for over 1,000 years. Ceramics is one of them, and Jingdezhen is where it resides. For a millennium, countless hands here have repeated the same act, firing clay into porcelain. It is this unbroken continuity that has transformed an ancient craft into a sophisticated system of collaboration. The story begins with the land. The surrounding mountains provided abundant kaolin, the primary component in porcelain. Yet, raw materials alone cannot sustain a 1,000-year tradition. Over centuries, locals built a complete ecosystem, spanning from materials extraction to production. Water has been the city's lifelines. Local waterways sustain the workshops and shape the rhythm of daily life. Connected to the Yangtze River system, they carried Jingdezhen porcelain across China and eventually to the rest of the world. From the Ming Dynasty onward, the imperial kilns established standards for craftsmanship that influenced ceramic production far beyond China. This craft never belonged to a single individual. It belongs to a collective system. Deep inside the kilns, ordinary clay solidifies into porcelain through the harmony of nature and human skill. Traditional wood-fired kilns must maintain temperatures between 1,250 and 1,350 degrees Celsius for many hours, and even the slightest fluctuation can alter everything. Craftsmen read the fire not through instruments, but through generations of accumulated experience, observing the flames, ash, kiln atmosphere, and the changing color of the fire. A silent knowledge that can only be acquired through practice. Porcelain made here has never been shelved away. It not only showcases its elegance in museum display cases, but also lives vibrantly in alleyways, bustling markets, and daily trade. Here, tradition is not a sealed collective memory of the past, but a living heritage that continues to flow. Today, Jingdezhen has an even broader international presence. Every day, it attracts artists, designers, and young creators from all over the world. From the hands of past craftsmen to today's transnational creators, Jingdezhen's 1,000-year legacy lives on.